is that noise coming from?
Kenichi, Shinzo, what are both of you doing over here?
Mommy, did you hear that noise? Huh?
What is that noise?
Ding ding! All this chaos is because of Shishimaru snoring away like this. Mommy, I think there's a burglar in our home.
Yes, we should find out.
Come, let's go find out.
Ding ding ding.
What's the problem? Why is everybody standing like this?
Shishimaru, your snoring has woken up all of us.
I was just silently sleeping.
We won't be able to sleep with so much noise. Hattori, do something.
You're right. I have to think of a way to get rid of this. Ding ding ding, ding ding ding, ding ding ding, ding ding ding.
Hattori, how come you're so energetic?
I'm a ninja, Kenichi, and a ninja has to be shrewd and alert always, like this.
Oh, I'm also a ninja and see how full of life I am. Oh, you have a problem?
Don't ask me. I was so tired today the whole day.
Yes, but Shishimaru snoring like this, I wonder if anybody would be able to sleep today.
But we got to do something. Yeah, I got a brilliant idea. Why don't we stuff our ears and go to sleep? That way we won't hear his snoring.
Good idea, Kenichi.
Yes, at least in this way we all can have some good sleep, isn't it?
Oh, wow, we got relieved from this snoring.
Ding ding, Shishimaru has again started snoring, and until he realizes his mistake, he's not going to stop. Ding ding.
Oh, what a loud alarm. I can't sleep in peace. I'll go to the other room. The alarm's ringing here also. I can sleep in peace now.
Come on, Kenichi, wake up or you'll be late to school.
Hattori, 5 more minutes.
Come on, wake up. It's 9 o'clock in the morning.
Oh no, it's 9 o'clock. I'm really late today.
Huh?
Oh my goodness, it's 9 o'clock already. His snoring has ruined our lives. What do we do? Shut up!
Is it necessary to keep him outside?
If he sleeps inside the house, the whole system is going to go hither-thither, and nobody can sleep.
What if Shishimaru gets upset about it then?
Looks like nobody loves me in this house.
Shishimaru, nobody's been able to go to office or work today because of you see?
It's better if he's going to stay outside, Kenichi.
All of you go from here. I'm not going to speak to any one of you.
Ding snoring. Now you will understand what nuisance means.
Help me, help me. Somebody help.
That was the sound of your snoring, Shishimaru.
Oh, what did you say? That was my snoring sound? I thought that was a typhoon.
Hey, what's happening? Shishimaru's back inside?
Relax, Kenichi. Don't worry. Shishimaru has realized his mistake. Shishimaru, you're a ninja, and you have to know how to keep control of your snoring, isn't it?
Oh, I understand, Hattori.
Okay. Oh, now even I can have